Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we got a package. Pretty sure I know what it is. You guys already know from the title. Let's get started in opening this package. Alright, let's get a knife. Okay, now let's open the package. Okay, tape on the side is good. Okay guys, other side. Package is untaped. We can open it now. Today we are here with my mom. Mom, do you want to introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Mom.
Okay, that's Mom. For all the new viewers out there, if you don't know who Mom is, she's Mom, I'm Dalyn, and we're gonna unbox this. So yeah, let's just get straight into it now, now that we've opened it. Yeah, let's do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Ah! It is the Dexcom G6, as you know, which we were pretty sure what it was, but
Kinda new.
Which we had the Dexcom G5 before, but now we get the G6, which is such an upgrade. I think we should get into the receiver. Yeah, let's open the first box. Let's get into this. You guys are gonna get to see it first if I can open it, but it's not opening. There we go. Oh, I can see the reflection of it.
Can you?
It's just like it's just a black box. Okay.
Let's turn that baby around.
Okay, that actually looks like a phone though. And next week we should have a video up about how to put one on. So yeah. Okay.
You want to take it off?
I'll take it
I'll hold
off.
the box.
You think they can see that?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, fancy.
That's so cool. Look, there's a blue case and a red case for it.
I think that's pink, honey.
No, that's red.
No, that's pink.
No, that's red to me.
Definitely pink.
It's red to me. Well,
It
maybe
looks
you're
like-
colorblind, so yeah.
It already has a black one on.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
This one is just a black case. Okay, well, we have a blue and pink case. Whatever. But yeah,
And the cord.
that's cool. I kind of used to have a phone charger that looked like this.
This is great because I always kept the receiver in my room and mostly for at nighttime. And the cord to the other receiver just looked like all my other cords for my phone and
Yeah.
iPad. So now when it's like super dark in the middle of the night and the battery's low,
No one has just a green charger.
I'll be able to.
Okay, now this, hold on, before we open this. This is really funny, I think, because it just says charger. Just says charger on it. But yeah, let's see what the charger is, because you would think that this is the charger. Oh, okay. It's just an adapter, or not an adapter, like a block that plugs into the wall. It has Dexcom on it. I bet you Dexcom just went to Walmart, bought one of these, and put their name on it.
I don't think so.
Let's get this trash out of here. Okay.
Maybe be a little more careful.
Now that we've got the trash out, we're gonna open the insertion box. This is the thing. I'm assuming you press this orange button, and the needle goes in. And oh, we might also get the sensor in this box. You guys get to see this first again.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
Oh,
got fancy stuff falling out.
You guys can see what's in there now. Let's get in the box. Oh, wow.
Okay, they're upside down. Oh,
Whoa.
finally! Ah, it's here. I hope it's as amazing as it's supposed to be.
That looks so much different than the G5 one. That looks so weird.
Way less intimidating, I think. I mean, the other one, it was really hard, I think, for a person to do it to themselves.
Yeah, because
like,
it's clear, so you can see the whole entire needle and like this needle-looking stick metal thing that makes it look like it's a giant needle, but it's really not. It's just the thing that pushes the real needle in. But yeah, this one is
And more
much less scary.
challenging to do to yourself because you had to like.
You have to push one thing and then pull another thing. But this, I think you just have to. It looks like you just have to pull this safety off and then click.
Well, why don't we just take a real quick look at the size of the new transmitter?
Don't throw that box.
I'm not throwing that box.
Okay, this is the transmitter, which my friend has this, so I've already seen what this looks like. You guys probably haven't. Maybe you have, who knows?
It'll have a foamy thing on the top. No, it doesn't?
This is like super tiny. I mean, it's like the same size as the other one, but this is skinnier, I would say.
It's thinner, but it may be longer.
Spaceship.
I think it may be longer, but it is thinner.
The one thing I don't know that I saw is there's like a little bump thing. There's like a little hole circle type thing, like crater or whatever on
Just
it.
a part of the design.
Which I think that looks weird personally, but
It's where you push down, I'm sure.
yeah, maybe that's it. Okay, so that's that. I'm just gonna throw the other box. Not really. Here,
All
put
right,
that
well,
over there.
that's everything.
Now, actually, we need to download the Dexcom G6 app. Out with the old, in with the new. It didn't delete. Whoop. It's deleting. There we go. It's gone. Okay, guys, now to get the Dexcom G6 app, you have to hack the government and some other things in order to get it. So once you've done that, just go to the App Store and type in Dexcom. I can't spell com, and it should pop up right there. It's just look up Dexcom G6, and it should be called just Dexcom G6. We're gonna click on it. Here's the pictures. Yeah, it should look something around this. They might have updated some stuff, but yeah, let's get this app. Got some yogurt, gonna eat some yogurt, but yeah, this it's actually really cool. It has a welcome video. I don't think that the G5 had that, but we're just gonna skip the welcome video because we don't really need to see that. Okay, make treatment decisions with your Dexcom G6 when your symptoms match.
Okay, I understand.
Yep, we get that part.
Full safety statement, I understand.
Okay,
We
yeah.
have a number and an arrow.
This
we
is
understand.
all G5 stuff, so if you already know what the G5 is, then yeah. If you don't even know what the G5 is, then this is not really the video for
but this
you.
is important, especially because I think your impression is, I don't have to calibrate anymore, so I never need to test my blood sugar. But it says new to Dexcom G6, keep using your meter to make treatment decisions until you know how Dexcom G6 works for you.
Yeah.
Don't rush. It may take days, weeks, or months to gain confidence.
Which that's what we did, like for a couple days with the
Sorry, I had a major sneeze there. I understand. Treatment decisions.
Don't need to really watch that.
Yep, we're good. We know what we're doing there. Do not bring any portion of Dexcom G6 system into a room with an MRI, CT, or diathermy medical equipment. I don't know what diathermy is. Is that like cold?
Comment down below what in the world that is, because I don't really want to look it up.
Settings. Import settings. Okay, that's complete. Next. G6 includes new features like no finger stick calibrations, 10-day sensor session, easy to use sensor application, smaller transmitter, urgent low soon alert. That is cool. It tells you I think it's like 20 minutes before you're gonna be in an urgent low. Like this will tell you anyway. Blah 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 blah. Whoa.
Yeah, I'll put my arm over here
Okay.
so it's even.
In order to receive seizure alerts such as you must Okay.
Yep. Make sure that is allowed. Or else the app won't work. Gotta get yogurt.
Always sound. Setting allows alerts to sound, even when silent, or do not disturb our
Okay, that gets really annoying sometimes because I'll turn my phone on silent and I'm in the middle of something important or something in school, and all of a sudden, but that's a good thing.
That is.
I guess.
You need to swallow that. That's gross. Okay, well, here we are. We're good to go. We can... This is something new. You have to enter the code in for the sensor.
Okay, so actually, I think that whole each box might have the same number.
Well, they're going to have the same lot number,
but
it's
this
that
number.
is different. Yeah.
The number right there.
Whoa,
this one
that's
is
probably close.
9117. I mean, if you guys know that, that's not really going to do anything. And here's a free QR code. What? There's a scanner thingy. Yeah. Okay, we're going to screen record again. 3, 2, 1. Okay. We're going to open this. Okay. Ever so gently, just take this out. Okay, we're gonna enter the code, or at least I'm gonna enter the code. Oh, I'm gonna take a photo of the QR thingy, because why not? Dexcom G6.
Because typing 9117 would just be too hard.
It is! Okay, your transmitter sends sensor glucose readings to your smart device.
Did it scan it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now we're to the transmitter.
The next few screens will talk to you through how to connect your transmitter to your smart device.
Oh, you know, we should have the receiver out here.
That would be a good idea. Your transmitter and smart device connect using Bluetooth. Okay, I don't know if I'm gonna like this as much because it's not as simple. It seems harder, but
no, it's dead. Oh no, it's not.
It's not.
Psych.
Whoa. I feel like if I push down on that, it's gonna come out.
Yeah, don't do that.
You know what this kind of looks like? If you set it like on the table, it's like a vacuum
Well, you don't want to
cleaner.
do.
Okay guys, so at this point in the video, basically all we did was lose the footage for the rest of the video, but thankfully all it was just me putting it on. There was nothing like really important. So other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below any suggestions for new videos. Leave a like. Please subscribe. We're trying to get to 250 within the next like 3 months. That is my goal. So yeah, have a good night and day. I'm Diabetes Dude. Peace out.